Pisces, hi, this is your reading for the month of May 2021. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. Whichever sign, whichever placement resonates the most with you, please take that. And if the message is for you, you will really know. So take what resonates and leave what doesn't. And this disclaimer is applicable whether I say it or I don't, since this is a general reading. Alright? Let's see. Right, Pisces. Message for Pisces. Treasure Island. TikTok. There it is. Happy. You're in a good place, or at least you're heading to your happy place. My hands are hurting a bit. The heat boils. It's summer here in India. Let's see. Message for Pisces. In divine timing, there is something happy. There's a happy situation. It's something as if you find your treasure, and things are all of a sudden possibly aligning up for you. There's a very deep sense of the universe putting you in your happy place. That's what I feel. I really feel that. Let's see. Message for Pisces. Overall energy. 7 of Wands. The Fool, the Magician, Queen of Cups. 2 of Pentacles, the Star, Judgment. King of Swords, Ace of Wands, 9 of Cups. Definitely wish granted. The overall energy for your reading is the 7 of Wands. Pisces, I do see that you are, standing in your power and trying to fight back to whatever it is, fight back with whatever it is that doesn't align with you. It's as if you are just raising your vibration. That's what I feel here. As if you don't want to allow anything that disturbs you, anything that pulls you down won't go with you. In the past, you have the Fool, the Magician and the Queen of Cups. You are manifesting love, at least you did in the past. You really manifested this new beginning in love. Possibly somebody else also manifested this with you. In the present you have the 2 of Pentacles, the Star and Judgment. A little bit of confusion when it comes to healing and some sort of decision here. The more you heal, the more you decide to release something from your life. Possibly an attachment you have with somebody. You are a little caught up in your head, but I think you are doing this work knowing that it's good for you. In the future, you have the King of Swords, the Ace of Wands and the 9 of Cups. Again, I do see a new beginning, and new beginning possibly in love, since it's a wish fulfillment and it is Cups. So I do see you feeling emotionally fulfilled, possibly on your own or with somebody. But we'll see. Let's clarify the 7 of Wands. Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Moon. I do see you holding back a little from someone here. You may deep down want this. I think, yeah, that's what I really feel. Deep down there is a feeling of wanting this, but I think you are not giving your energy to this person anymore. Possibly an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Pisces. I really feel that you're not opening up to this person anymore. Clarify the Fool, Knight of Swords, the Hermit, Empress. Wow. You may have jumped into a situation. Yeah, you may have jumped into this situation. I think a lot of I don't think it is bad or it was bad for you. All I can see is that you are possibly it put you in a space of meditation, learning to live in solitude or enjoying that it's not loneliness but solitude. There's a lot of being in your power. Let's see. The Magician. I do see that you've evolved a lot, Pisces. Clarify the Magician. Hierophant. This could be a Taurus. Hierophant, Temperance, Strength. What? All major arcanas? Sagittarius and Leo. This is a spiritual connection that you deal with. Something that is uplifting. Something that taught you patience. Something that taught you balance. Something that gave you the courage to face your fears, possibly. Something or someone. It's like the universe led you into each other's lives. Clarify Queen of Cups. Four of Wands, Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Alright. When it came to commitment, when it came to marriage, things may have not worked out. There may have been some agreements, some disagreements. I think the disagreements overpowered the need to get married, or for this to happen, something did not work in the favor. Possibly there was healing needed. There's a lot of self-love and self-care kind of energy that was, I think, missing. May have been missing. Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So this is a soulmate. It's the Two of Pentacles in the present. King of Cups, Queen of Cups there. Nine of Swords and the Death. Alright. I do see somebody putting an end to this confusion. end to the stress and end to the anxiety. This may have been happening for a while, and I think somebody here felt that, there's no point holding on to it. There's no point juggling like this. Unknowing, it's as if the future was unknown or unpredictable. Do not want to possibly give more energy to this. Somebody has withdrawn because it was stressing them out. Clarify the star card. Hanged Man, Three of Cups, and the High Priestess. You still are healing, and it's as if you've not moved from that place yet. You are still stuck there for a while. Maybe Pisces, your intuition tells you that there's a third party. Maybe, may have been. If that's not the case, then your intuition may be telling you I don't think what is it? Let's see the Judgment. Your intuition is telling you something. Clarify Judgment. Knight of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Devil. Yes, your intuition may be telling you something that doesn't seem right. There's a pattern here. There is a pattern here. This may have been something that is This may have been something that is, can I say somebody here comes across as somebody who's unstable in a commitment, or may have been, this relationship, I do feel that may have been all about passion, extreme passion. A lot of passion may have been present in this partnership. A very, very physical relationship, whereas it was supposed to be a very spiritual connection. It was supposed to uplift you and ascend you on your journey. Maybe somewhere that was left behind. Maybe somewhere your spiritual journey together was not moving forward. Alright, somewhere I do also get a sense that your intuition may be telling you that, there is a coming back together. There may be. But for now, I sense a lot of passion. Yes, maybe a three-party situation here. But this is a pattern. So this may have happened in your life before as well. This is not something new. Clarify King of Swords, please. Justice, Ten of Cups, and the Emperor. You have the Empress right here. There is something or someone here. I do think somebody is coming into your life, and I don't know if this is the same person or somebody brand new. Clarify Ace of Wands. Is it Ace of Wands? Yep, Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Cups. Somebody is coming, some sort of message is coming your way. Somebody is taking the action to communicate that they want this with you. A past connection, yes, that is also possible. A past life soulmate, that is very much possible. There is a connection here, definitely a soul connection. Nine of Cups. Six of Swords, Ten of Swords, Seven of Cups, Six of Wands. Alright, you may have been looking at options. Whoever this is, who is it? Are you dealing with a Sagittarius? If this is that, I think this is, I don't know who this is, at least now I can't figure that out. Somebody is putting an end to this pattern, or this in and out kind of person, or at least able to control the may have been overly passionate. I think that's what is being let go of. Leaving something behind and moving forward. I think you will overcome that, whatever this toxic pattern is for you. And just know that I do feel that you're almost there. You are almost there. Alright? That's the message for you, Pisces. I will come back with your first week readings. Until then, sending you love and light. See you soon, darlings. Bye-bye.